started to be dredged out about 1907. It has to be maintained to about 47 to 50 feet deep for about 8 to 10 miles out to sea to the large container that come on in. We're going to rock a little bit with this weight, so if you're up front, hold on. Now, Savannah is the 5th busiest harbor in the entire world. Oh yeah, they're like, oh, it's only water. But it's over now, you can turn around again. But again, Savannah's the 5th busiest harbor in the world. If you look at the map of the United States, we're due south of Cleveland, Ohio. We're the westernmost eastern seaport. These are waterways, railways, and roadways. We actually service 27 states. Alright, Captain said he saw some dolphin on the move up here at about 11 o'clock. A lot of times up here by this white tower, during the receding tide, you get them hiding behind it because they don't want to fight the current. That actually blocks the current for them. Also, with the rock jetty out here, they will. There we go, right up front. With the rock jetty, our dolphin actually will force the bait fish up onto the shallows. There we go. Nice little pod up here at 11 o'clock. Thank you. You guys are lucky. I've been doing this over 2 years here, and I've never gone back without seeing dolphins. So, you got time you good luck charm, I guess, right now. Now, what you see is their dorsal fin. That's the fin on their back. They're mammals like we are. So they're coming up to get a breath of air. Here, we got more out here. Oh! Hey, I taught him to do that. Not really. Nah, wish I could take credit for that one. That was great. I hope someone got a picture of that. There we go, right out here off our left-hand side. Nice little pod. Captain will spin around so everybody will... Look at them, they're all showing up right now. I saw at least 7 or 8 out there right now. 2 or more is called a pod. There's 7 or 8 right in that one little section right behind us. So there's a good dozen out here. I'm seeing more. Now what usually happens this time of year is, again, the females... what usually happens out here, again, the males usually travel by themselves. But they'll come in here and find the females and do what males do. Sometimes I hear Marvin Gaye playing when the males are around. But a female will have a calf. That calf will wean for 2 to 3 years. Will hang around for about 6. There are always more females in that pod. During that time, oh, there we go. During that time, the females can have more calves. So we kind of have a family unit. That's a good job. All right. Look, we got some jumpers out here. Love it. And we got babies out here, Captain Soft. Those dorsal fins are like fingerprints. They're all different. Now the females can get up to 400 pounds, the males over 600. They have to eat 5 to 10% of their body weight every day, so think of that in quarter pounders. I'd rather not. I've seen in this one pod already, I recognize one of the males in this body as a very identifiable big head. Like I said, the males are a good third larger than the females when they're out here. Got some right over here next to me at 9 o'clock. Got two really good sized pods. Right here up our 2 o'clock. Look at that. Beautiful. Got a lot. We got about 30 dolphin out here right now. During our real warm months when the water's in the upper 80s, we can have over 200 dolphin in our bay on any given day. During the winter, we get way down to maybe 30. They move with the Gulf Stream. They go south.
Hey, Daddy.